Welcome back once again to my channel. It's JFX, your mentor's mentor. So it's been a long while since we did some some content and some videos, some analysis, and some stuff we do best. All right. So today we are going to be looking at few trading pairs because we couldn't post a Sunday about our projection, what we'll be looking for the coming week. So we're going to be looking at some few pairs today, which is currently up in my watch list. But for now, let's start with the the pound dollar. All right. So this is the pound dollar. So the pound dollar experienced a massive sell-off. All right, a very massive sell-off, which caused the pound sterling to just keep dropping and dropping and dropping. All right, so price got here up to this area here, consolidated for some few time. Not I think started consolidation around 12th of April. Broke out of the consolidation on 19th April. Right. So this sell-off was due to the US higher than expected that came out. So that was what brought this down. But many of you, a lot of people have been asking, okay, why is the pound US dollar experiencing further downside when the other dollar crosses like the USD, Euro USD, and other USD crosses like AD USD, SND USD, why and they experiencing this sell-off? Okay, the reason for this other sell-off right here is because of the UK retail sales that came out on Friday. All right, the UK retail sales came out very negative. All right, it came out very negative for the pounds, so it dragged the the pound sterling down. All right, and also looks like the pound sterling they might be so close in their rate cut. All right, there will be I think they are close already to their rate cut, in which the way their rate cut is already on bet. All right, faster than the US. All right, so we don't know how the pound sterling is gonna give out their their intake on the on the interest rate. Right, on the interest rate, we don't know how they're going to give it in. So that is what we're experiencing here. So currently what I'm actually looking at for the pound dollar here, what I'm looking at for the pound dollar is I'm experiencing, I need price, I would like to see price break this high very right here. Like, all right, I would like to see price break this very high here. I'm looking to go long actually on this very market. All right, I'm looking to go long on this very market. So I'm wanting price to break this high right here, and then I'll be wanting a retest, let me go down to a smaller time frame. Yeah, I'll be wanting a retest back down to the internal fair value gap. All right, I'll be like, this is what I'm wanting to see, like a break towards the upside and just a little bit of retest to this very zone here. So I'll be going long from here. So let me show you from the 1 hour time frame. So this is what currently I'll be looking at, something like this, just like that, and then retest right here, and then way up, down, up to this level here. All right, so this is what I'm actually wanting to see. So just something like that. All right, so this is what I'm wanting to see for the pound dollar. All right, so this is my bias. If price doesn't break this area here, I won't go long. All right, if price doesn't break this area here, I won't go long. So I'll be entering my entry will be right from here, and then my stop loss will just be like 20 pips away from this low. All right, 20 pips away from this low, because market might tend to come down and take out the sell stop and the buy limits that are resting underneath. So I will need to be part of the ride when it's going up. All right, so I'll need to be my stop loss will be underneath, like 20 pips away. All right, so this is for the pound dollar. So this is what I'm currently looking at. So looking at the pound oxy, Looking at the pound oxy also experienced a massive sell-off due to the retail sales. All right, due to the retail sales that came out from the sterling. Actually, that was what brought this market down. So I was expecting when price broke here, this very low here, and also broke this low, I was expecting price to come back here so I can go short. All right. So, but it looks like price did come back to where I was anticipating for it to come back to. It didn't. So the market just ran off like that without putting me in line. But also, I kind of get in here, right? So I also profited from this because I actually analyzed this and I was targeting this very fair value gap here. And if you can see very well, take profit was actually hit on this very trade here. Take profit was hit, and also price came down, cleared this sell side liquidity. All right, price came down, cleared the sell side liquidity. So this price on GBP AUD, I'll be looking to go long as well. All right, so in 4 minutes now, when this video is being made, a news is going to come out on the UK. All right, so 30 minutes from now and 4 minutes from now, we have separate news which is coming out on the pound sterling. All right, so this is currently what I'm looking at. All right, so also same thing I said on the pound dollar is the same thing here. All right, so I'll be wanting price to break these highs here. Yeah, right here. I'll be wanting price to break this high here and come back, fill the internal fair value gap right here. All right, so that is where I'll be looking on taking my entry. All right, so yeah, this is where I'll be taking my buy entry. You know, a lot of people experience FOMO, fear of missing out. No, it doesn't work like that. All right, so all you have to do is just to be patient. All right, let the market do its thing. Just be patient. So currently I'm letting the market do its thing, else I would have entered when the market broke the sell side liquidity right here, which is right here. All right, which is right here, right here. That was when I would have entered, but I had to wait. All right, so we can see clearly now that price is already breaking its high here from when this video is being made. So currently now, what I'll be expecting is a bit of reversal right here down to this level here, the 15 minutes fair value gap, and then I'll be targeting this high right here. So let's take this off. So I'll be targeting this high right here. So that's what I'm currently looking for the pound oxy, and also for the oxy dollar. You know, all of these are quite similar. They like behave almost the same way. So the same way on the pound oxy, you see, okay, so we broke the high. Yes, okay, we've broken a high with a displacement. So currently I'll like to see something like this. I like to see something like this. Yeah, that's what I like to see. All right, guys. So this is what I like to see. So price has broke this high. It has created an MSS with a displacement. So I like to see it come down and you know, fill the internal fair value gap. Then I'll be going long from here. All right, that's for the pound oxy, and also for the euro dollar. Yes, this is my most beautiful trade. You can see clearly like how price is reacting, how price is doing its thing without, you know. That's why I told you before, guys, I love the euro dollar so much. Like the way the price moves is extreme. All right, so you can see clearly here that price created an MSS. The MSS was right here. Let me use here. So the MSS, that's the shifting market structure, got formed right here. All right, so I'm using the inner circles traders formula. All right, that's what I'm using to trade. So currently price created an MSS here, and you know I don't enter where price created an MSS, but the price created an MSS with a displacement. All right, with a displacement. So price, I actually marked out my 5 minutes fair value gap, and price tapped in the 5 minutes fair value gap, and then now we're experiencing a runoff. All right, we're experiencing a runoff. Now I'm wanting this to go all the way up right to this zone here. So my target on this very trade is 268 pips. That's what I'm targeting on this very trade, 268 pips. But there's a likely movement that price might still come down a little bit. All right, price might still come down a little bit, because if we should go down to the 15 minutes time frame, we might see, yep. All right, so we see a little fair value gap here. So similar to that will happen on the pound oxy and the pound, sorry, the oxy dollar, the pound the pound oxy and the pound dollar. So currently I'll be wanting something like price to come right down here, from here close to where it all started. So then I'll be going long from here, right from this zone. So though I'm already on this position, but when markets start going to my direction, I tend to add more positions, more orders. I just keep stacking them just like that. That's what I do. So currently I'm wanting price to come down here, but if it doesn't, I'll just stay on this trade. I'll let it run, right? I'll let it run. So currently when price come down here and start going up again, I'll move my stop loss right down to my entry, because the price might come down here and try to take out this sell side liquidity. All right, price might try to take out this sell side liquidity. So I'll put, after price has tested this internal fair value gap and I start going up, then I'll modify my stop loss into my entry area. Now for the Oxy card, for the Canada Oxy. All right, so the Canada Oxy, I'm a bit neutral on this pair. So I am wanting to go long, but price is just keep playing around. All right, not really like I'm planning to go long, to go like long to short. Let me use it like that, long to short. Like I'm actually looking to go long right to this area here, then to go short. That's what I'm plan doing. All right, so that is my bias. Like I plan going long, to shorts, because price will definitely come and fill this area here, taking out the inducement, resting here, taking out these highs here, testing here before coming down. So this is what I'm currently be looking at on the Oxy card. And for the Euro card, just a quick brief on all the pairs. All right, that's what I'm doing. So just a quick brief on all the pairs. So currently on the Euro card, I'm not really certain on this market yet. All right, so I am still neutral here. I've not really gotten a perfect insight on this market, so I am still neutral here. So no trade will be taken here, not until I get a clear and a good confirmation. Then for the USD card, you guys might be wondering, I have a lot of card here. Funny, huh? Yeah. All right. So for the USD card, it's a bit somehow, it's a bit somehow. So I would have entered this trade here, but I missed it, right? Because of network connectivity, I kind of missed it right here. So price created an MSS right here, shift in market structure. So price created a shift in market structure right here, and then I draw out this line here, and this line is the 5 minutes fair value gap. All right, 5 minutes fair value gap, sorry, 15 minutes fair value gap, sorry, 15 minutes fair value gap. So price came up, retest this zone here, and it's dropping off real nicely. So too bad I missed this trade. And one thing is that if I already missed the trade, I don't rush in. All right, I don't rush in. So since the price has already moved it out me, so I just had to leave it. And but the target for this very market here is, we're targeting this, yeah, this low here, because you need to take out the liquidity resting here to tap here before you start going up again. All right, so that's what I'll be looking for the USD card. So painful I missed it, because this is like let's see, this is like 271 pips. Like that is so much, 271 pips. So too bad we missed this trade, but not to worry, guys. Then looking at oil trade, okay, so I recently added this oil trade to my watch list as one of the market I'm still looking at. So recently I've been watching this oil trade. I'm not really taking any trade from it. I'm still watching its price movement, its pattern, how, like, for what's it called, for price action. This is called what we call a rounded cup. Yeah, cup and handle. Yeah, many of you might know it. Cup and handle. I don't know. It's price action, right? So this is cup, and this is the handle. So if I had to take this trade, I would have get in from here, right here, because this is the cup, and when the handle forms, that's when you enter to go short, just like that. Also, it does happen, like sometimes it does happen like on the net. It look like something like this, all right, and then it looks like this, and then it moves up just like that, all right. So that's the way it is now. But this other one happened in the other way around. It happens like this, like happened like this, retest, and then we see a drop. just like that. So cup and handle. So it's good to actually practice everything. All right. So I don't really know. So far the less all these pattern and analysis and that I've given. Let's see how the news make them happen or make them not happen. All right. So because we are having so much news this week with the Bank of England releasing their rate, Bank of Japan also releasing, and some, some strong news. Like today we'll be having the PMI. All right, the flash service and the manufacturing, the PMI. So the euro has given theirs, which has actually was better than expected in the news forecast. So definitely we are looking at some other pairs. And also let's look at something else again. All right, so I love to talk about it, even if I don't really take trade almost all the time. All right, let's talk about it. This is gold. Like guys, like you guys might be wondering, like, how did this happen? All right, so you guys might be wondering, how did this happen? Yeah, you want, like, I saw this coming out from here. I think I entered from here. Yes, from here. So, but I entered with a proper risk management, right? I entered with a proper risk management. So I entered from here. I'm currently still on this trade, all right? I am still on this trade, but I plan getting off soon because look at the way that price is consolidating right here, gathering liquidity here. We might see a change in direction pretty soon, all right? We might see a change in direction pretty soon. So definitely, I don't know. So definitely, I'll be wanting to see some nice pretty movement to the upside. All right. So I'll be seeing some nice pretty movement to the upside because with the geopolitical things going on recently, it has been favoring gold. Even well, when the dollar has been bullish, the gold has been bearish. All right, the gold has been bearish. So not to worry, guys. So the gold trade, if you're in my community, don't worry. I'll be posting some gold trade from now forth because some people tend to like gold trade. All right, so I'll be posting in henceforth. All right, so that is my analysis. This is, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please always subscribe to our channel, like and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, that whatever time we upload contents like this, we also you get notified. And please don't forget that you subscribing, liking and commenting is a way of helping us grow and to make sure that we publish more contents like this which are going to be beneficial to your use. All right, so thank you very much. This is JFX signing out.